Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can get the Vernal Prayers action in Heartopia. Super simple, you're just going to click on this icon and you're going to click on these actions and it's just going to automatically unlock it. You don't have to purchase it and you'll find it in your actions. Let me get this first. We have this one over here. And we also have this one right here. You're also able to purchase outfits here as well using the uh, moonlight crystals. I keep forgetting, but I don't have enough for now. So hopefully I'll have enough soon. 280. Okay, I can just move this to here, but I don't want to. But yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.